Okay, fans, welcome to my channel. Today is Dr. Ian platform. Please do well to subscribe. So I got this script and I decided to share it to my subscribers on YouTube. So if you want to build a US, don't forget that this video is only for education purposes. If you want to build a military portal website where where somebody can come and book a military for military leave. This website comprises of military leave, flight booking, live transactions, um, portal management. Then I'll be explaining how I am going to be teaching you how to build this website. It is a very simple and easy script to use. So when you get the script, even if you have not built website before, once you get the script, I will direct you where to buy a long and lasting server. So, and one sweet thing about this theme is once you get it, all you have to do is upload it to your directory, create a database, go to .env and edit it to the database you have created. Even if you don't know how to create database, there is a video that I'll be including inside this script. So once you get it, and the best part of it is I have subsidized it. I made some upgrade to the script. The upgrade I made to the script is you can now pay directly to the website through any banking system of your choice. You can also pay with crypto in the website. I have the script available. All you have to do is click on the link I'll be providing below. So